Digital marketing. We understand small businesses often don't have the in-house capacity to really harness the potential of digital marketing. At Working Knowledge, our solution is to train and coach talented, digitally savvy young people to boost your in-house capability and do more of that marketing that works and stop what doesn't. How does it work? Our Digital Marketing Academy is an intensive 15-month training and coaching program delivered by practicing marketing consultants. It's designed to take your marketing function to the next level and create consistent routes to the right customers by effectively using the best digital marketing tools and techniques for your business. What does it cost? We've mapped our program to a digital marketing apprenticeship, so the government funds 95% of the training costs, which means the government pays £10,450 and you pay only £550. The programme is open to new and existing employees of businesses registered in England, aged 16 or over, with GCSE Grade C in English and Maths, or equivalent. If you don't have a suitable candidate in mind, we're also experienced in finding outstanding young talent with the energy and enthusiasm to help your business thrive. Visit workingknowledge.org.uk to see if our programme could be the right fit for your business.